Hey guys, it's Beauty14. I hope you guys are all doing very well today. Today's video is going to be another review video. However, today's review video is going to be quite different from all the videos that I have done in the past because this review video is going to be on a product that is actually Panties, which I think is very interesting. Hold on before you guys click out of this video. Pretty much what this is, it's by the brand of SPLENDIES, and pretty much what this is a subscription box that sends in different panties every single month, whether they're thongs, whether they're like regular panties, anything like that. So I think this is a really good subscription box because if you guys are lazy to go out and shop, go to Victoria's Secret, it's very expensive. You can just order this and it will come right to your door every single month, by the way. And the price of this is just $13.99, which is very cheap. You guys will get 3 panties in each subscription package every single month. So I think that's a really good deal if you think about it, because one panty at Victoria's Secret would probably be way over $13.99 to be honest. But anyways, I'm going to be showing you guys what's in the package. So the package is really cute. It's just pink and it just says SPLENDIES over it in the front. And of course I opened it already because you know me with my nosy self. I cannot do unboxing videos because I'm just way too anxious and nosy. But anyways, this is what it looks like. It comes in a really nice packaged tissue paper, which I think is really cute and soft and girly. And inside of the tissue paper are 3 panties. And let me show you guys the first one that I got, which I think is so cute. This is the first one. And it's so adorable. It just has flowers all over it. It's just blue and it's like this really nice silky material, which I really like. It's very comfortable. I can tell it will be. And I just think it's amazing. It's just a regular like bikini type of panty. It's not a thong, so I think that's really cute. It's so breathable, so soft, and it seems like it will be very comfortable. The second panty that I got actually is like this, and this one is super cute as well. It is just gray and it has white lace going all over it, and it has little bows in the front of it, which I think is so feminine and cute. And by the way, I got all of my panties in a size small, so just for reference, if you guys want to get some and you're like the same size as me, I got a size small. And by the way, the sizes are they have like a really good variation of sizes. It goes from small, I believe, all the way to plus sizes, so it caters to everybody, which I really do like. Oh my goodness, and the last panty that I got is this one, and this one is actually my favorite, and that's actually the back, but this is so cute. It's like pink lace all over it, and it has a bow in the front, and it has a bow in the back. It's actually like a thong type of thing, and it has like this really cute detailing. So this one's definitely my favorite. It's very sexy, seductive, really cute and girly, which is totally what I love. It's totally up my alley, so I really like this. So like I said, that was all of the panties that I got.